So, Mr. Wood, what was Science Week all about?
So Science Week was a chance to get all of the Year 7s to 10s in lessons learning about science in a different way. So we had our Year 7s taking the opportunity to find out what it's like for astronauts in space. We had our Year 8s going out doing environmental survey at school. They had an animal show coming into them so they could see animals themselves. We had our Year 9s getting a chance to look at oil rigs and design and build them in their lessons, and our Year 10s, through the theme of careers in science, got the chance to see a real chemist who practices just down the road at GlaxoSmithKline, and a doctor who operates on people, who's in the frontline profession every day. And that's what it was about.
That's all and good, but what was going on outside the lessons?
So we took the chance to get people that really wants to see something else a bit different into the science department during breaks. So we had a dissection which Miss Gibbs ran, where they got to see how a kidney works by taking it apart and looking at it. We also had the periodic table challenge, which is amazing. 2 pupils remembered the whole of the periodic table off by heart. One in less than a minute. One did it last year and was a returner. And one teacher broke the record for the teachers remembering it with 49. It was also a chance to do some demonstrations. We had liquid nitrogen in, we had a vacuum. You could see what happens if something boils at minus 196 degrees Celsius. And finally we had the teacher staff quiz. In a noble joint second place we had a group of Year 10 girls and our PE teachers. And then in first place we had a group of Year 7 boys, beating even the teachers.
That's amazing, Steve. Amazing.
Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tellurium, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, terbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, bismuth, polonium, astatine, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, meitnerium, tungstatium, rhodnium, copernicium, anantrium, flerovium, ananpentium, livermorium, ananseptium, ananoctium.
So, Mr. Wood, now that you're leaving and Science Week was well done and it was a great Science Week, everyone was buzzing. What would be your lasting memory of Science Week or this Science Week or all the ones that you've done before?
I think my lasting memory of this Science Week would be seeing how excited pupils and teachers were about learning science practically, about careers in science, about seeing it in a different way. And there's one particular thing that I pick out. A student came up to me after we had our medicine workshop where we had a doctor in and said, I thought about medicine before, but after that I really want to be a doctor. I thought that was the most amazing aspiration to have, and that was really exciting. And there was a real buzz about what was going on.
Whoa, Mr. Wood. Science Week. I am science.